Here's a fan that I just found in the trash. I was walking home down an alley that has like half houses on one side and half the backs of businesses on the other. And I saw this sitting in a pile of trash, so I picked it up. It's a Lasko. It's definitely one of the newer ones. I can tell because it has the newer style knob. It's pretty dirty. I think it was used in a restaurant. But, does it work? I haven't tested it. This is as is, how I just found it. It's plugged in, so let's see what happens. I doubt it works, but let's see. Well. I can't believe that actually worked. That's high, medium. Knob's kind of sticky. Seems to work just fine. That's the back of it. I can't believe they would throw it at a perfectly working fan. But I guess that's what you should expect these days. So yeah, not quite sure what I'm going to do with it. I'm going to definitely clean it up. It's covered in like grease and stuff. I'm pretty sure it came out of one of the restaurants that was on that street. I might actually just use it for parts because I have another Lasko over here. This is a weather shield and it has a bad motor, so I might just take the motor out of this and put it in that one. But we'll see. So anyway, thanks for watching and more to come.